We have better maps of the surface of Mars than we do of our own ocean floor. While the world watched the Artemis 2 lunar flyby in April 2026, something broke in the Pacific. The public record shows the NOAA ship Okeanos Explorer began its shakedown on May 16th, but leaked sonar logs from the Izu-Bonin Trench tell a different story. At exactly 7,104 meters deep, the pressure should be a tomb. Instead, researchers found a vertical fracture opening at a rate of 4 centimeters every hour. They call it the Abyssal Surge, and tonight, we're diving into the data the public wasn't supposed to see. To understand why this crack is terrifying, you have to understand the science of the Hadal Zone. At 7,000 meters, you aren't just dealing with water, you're dealing with physics that shouldn't support life. The pressure is over 10,000 pounds per square inch. At this depth, calcium carbonate dissolves, meaning no fish can form a skeleton. Yet, the Hadal 26 drone captured something that defies every law of biology, a movement in the dark that shouldn't be there. Then came the heat signature, a thermal plume rising from the fracture that is 15 degrees warmer than the surrounding water. In the absolute cold of the deep, a heat source this large shouldn't exist. But the physical crack isn't the real mystery. It's the sound. Sonar arrays recorded a 60 beat per minute low-frequency pulse. It's rhythmic, it's persistent, and it sounds biological. But as soon as researchers tried to map the interior of the fracture, they hit a wall. Sound waves, which usually travel 4 times faster in water than in air, began to disappear. This is an acoustic shadow. We aren't just unable to map it, we are being prevented from seeing it. As the drone moved closer to the surge, it captured images of what are now being called the Hadal Monoliths. These aren't just jagged tectonic rocks. They are perfectly geometric, vertical stone pillars that appear to be carved, not formed. If an ancient civilization existed before the rising tides of the last ice age, the deep trenches would be the only place on Earth left untouched. Could these pillars be the remains of a pre-human structure? Or is the fracture itself a doorway to a subcrustal ocean? As of last week, the research vessel Atlantis II was ordered to maintain a 10-mile exclusion zone from the site. No more drones, no more leaks. The official reason is technical difficulties. But the pulse is getting stronger. It's now being picked up by the seismic stations as far away as Guam. Whatever is pushing back from inside that 7,000-meter fracture isn't just tectonic. It's waking up. The maps are being rewritten in real time, but the public is being locked out. The more we map the horizon, the more we realize some places were meant to stay in the dark. Our next dispatch covers the Artemis 2 lunar paradox. Subscribe to Extreme Horizons. The expedition has just begun.